Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to add pop-up intro video on your Shopify online store. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify, you wanted to share the most important message to your audience at the first time when they visit your website, then this tutorial will be very helpful for you. Another important thing is that if you very careful about the SEO, that's means search engine optimization, you want to reduce the bounce rate and keep your audience as much as possible on your website, then you must have to add this pop-up into video on your Shopify online store, because in general any Shopify store or any website take a little bit time to load the full website. And here's the chance is that by this time you can easily share another message that will be most recent product, most popular product, or any upcoming campaign or offer that give your audience extra value and they don't feel boring to visit your website if it take even a little bit time to load the full website. So this is the chance for any Shopify store owner to boost their sales and conversion, and definitely the search ranking on the search result. They must have to use this free ready into video section on their Shopify online store. So this tutorials is not only for Shopify store owner, this is also Shopify developer who wanted to learn Shopify store design development from his case, then they can follow this video guideline. So first of all, I want to share that you will get the ready code snippet, so you don't have to write any single code. So you see, here is the intro video, enable sound. Let me open, reload, then you can understand better way. You see, enable sound.
World of make-believe, kids screaming in the cradles.
Wow, this is amazing, and I hope you understand a little bit what we are going to do in here. We can skip intro, very easy. So I hope you understand or you get an idea what we are actually going to add on our Shopify online store. And right now I am going to the admin panel to show you how you can control it, how we can set up it and customize it based on our requirement, and how we can do this without any coding skill, without hiring any developer. So right now I'm on the Shopify online store, and then click on this customize button, then you can see the magic. I have already added this ready code snippet. Okay, and you can see that every time when I reload this website, the pop-up intro video appear in here, but we can control it. Okay, so you see here is the premium video intro, and when I click on it, premium video intro, you can see that here is the all the ready function or customization option. First of all, we can add individual video for mobile, also individual video for desktop. So I'm going to reload, then you can understand more better way. So just wait a little bit time to check out the full picture. You see, here is the different video, and this video is originally without sound, and you see we have added different video in the mobile and unique video for desktop. So here is the option. Also we can add video loop, we can set up the video loop, but actually I don't recommend this. Just keep the function or picture if you want to add video loop, and this is basically applied. And when you can apply this picture, when your website looks like very slow, take too much time, this time you can apply this pictured loop video. Then text overlay, you can see that if I reload, you will see that there is a welcome message or text overlay, you can control it. If you keep it blank, then this text will not appear in here. Welcome to our store. This is totally up to you. You see, then we can control the text size from here. You see, let me show you again. Then 120. Yes, so this is very unique feature. Then we can add overlay video in here. Here is the recommended size. We can easily add overlay video. Then control the logo size. Then CTA button, shop now or buy now. Now you can see that CTA button in here. You see, buy now. And if I click on the skip, it automatically hides instantly. Okay, then CTA link. Also we can control the CTA background color, CTA text color. We can add countdown timer in here. For example, we are going to add 10 and show countdown timer. And now you can see starting at, you see, okay, we can set countdown timer match with our video length. For example, we can set 16. Now you can see the magic starting in or opening website, or you are going to the website within 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds. I hope you understand what I mean in here. You see, very unique feature. Okay, then we can control the progress color, progress background color. And here is the audio settings. That is another most important things. Black opacity, auto close delay. You see, you can control it. And session management. This is another important things. If everyone visit every time, then this intro appear. But it in general and professional way, once per session. So that's mean when someone visit your website, they only show this intro video once per session, not every reload or every refresh. For example, they're going to the shop page, product page, about page or checkout page. We don't want to show this intro video every time. So I hope you understand how we can control this pop-up intro video. And now here is the question: how you will get this ready code snippet and how to implement it on your Shopify online store. So this is basically super easy. I have opened a free WhatsApp live support group for all of the Shopify store owner, learner or developer, anyone who want to learn or get free code snippet from in, also who want to need premium service or support. So you can join my WhatsApp group right now instantly. You will find this WhatsApp group link in the video description and send me a message that I need this code snippet right now. Also, you have another option. I have added the code snippet link in the video description. I have already published the code on my website e-commerce thesis. So you can directly go to this website and copy the code and follow all the guidelines and implement it on your Shopify online store. But easy and quick way is to reach out at me with WhatsApp. This is very fast way. And then what you have to do, very simple process. Let me finish in a quick time. You have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Okay. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. So I'm going to show you. Very easy. You don't feel any complex things or you don't feel boring, I believe. So here you can see that I have added 3D intro video liquid. You just have to open your section folder and add new file and file name into pop-up video dot liquid. Very simple, and paste all the code in here and click on the save. Then you will find this ready premium into video section. So I hope you understand everything, how we can edit, what is the benefit, how we can customize and control it from our as per our requirement and how to set up it or add this feature on our Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress and or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.